To easily write a good email invitation using the Composer feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open your email. As the example, we will send email using Gmail. To do so, open Gmail. Tap Compose button. Enter the email recipient and the subject. Tap Compose email section. Tap the chat assist icon above the keyboard. And then tap Composer. Now, write a prompt. Choose email for the writing purpose. And then choose professional for the writing style. Now tap generate button to let the AI generate a draft for your invitation. Once done, you can review the draft, and if needed, you can make edit to customize it for your situation. Tap insert to insert the draft to your email. Read it once again to make sure that all is good. And then you can tap send button to send the email. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.